As part of SMU's IT training outreach, the Office of Information Technology is pleased to offer Adobe and Microsoft Office Specialist exams free of charge to students, faculty, and staff. In this presentation, we'll go over some of the advantages of earning your certification and the steps to get started. Did you know that 91% of hiring managers consider employee certifications a criterion for hiring? 79% of them feel that certified individuals are more efficient in the workplace. Regardless of whether you are pursuing this accreditation on your own or as part of a class requirement, your Adobe or Microsoft certification will help you enhance your professional portfolio. Each exam is 50 minutes in length. The exams range from answering individual multiple-choice questions to completing a project with multiple tasks. The Adobe Education Exchange contains study resources for Adobe exams and may be found at smu.edu/certified. In addition, you have access to LinkedIn Learning certification prep videos at smu.edu/LinkedIn. Click the Resources tab at smu.edu/certified for more information. If you're being asked to complete a Microsoft Specialist exam as part of your course, your professor was provided with instructions on how to download GMetrix. This is the practice software that will assist you in preparing for your certification exam. The instructions also contain the access code you need to activate your account. This information is most likely posted for you in your class's Canvas course. Microsoft Office exams are offered on Office for Windows. The GMetrix practice software works in a Windows environment only. If you would like to download GMetrix on your PC, see the instructions contained in your Canvas course. GMetrix is also available on any of the public PCs throughout Fondren Library, as well as in the Business Library, Altshuler Learning Enhancement Center, and the Center for the Academic Development of Student Athletes. For those of you studying remotely, using a Mac, or are unable to download GMetrix, you may access the software through our virtual environment. To get started, visit smu.edu/Aporto. Click the App Store button. Then click Launch for the GPU desktop. Select the GMetrix app. If this is your first time using the app, click the Sign Up Here link and create a new account and password. Then log into the app with your new credentials. The first time you log in, you will need to redeem your access code. Your Canvas course has the access code designated for your class. Enter that code to unlock content and click Redeem. Then start a new test. Depending on which Office application you select, you may see a series of skill review or selected response questions. These are not practice exams, but rather a tool you can use to study. The official certification exam will look similar to those practice exams that contain approximately 25 to 35 questions. GMetrix contains both a training mode and a testing mode. The training mode is great for studying, as it is untimed and allows you to gauge your skill in each exam objective and view detailed instructions. The testing mode is a simulation of the timed exam. Remember, we recommend that you review more than one practice exam and attempt to score an 800 or higher in order to be ready to sit for your certification test. Microsoft exams are offered both online and in person. Adobe exams are proctored on campus only. You can register for either of these options through smu.edu/registerblast. All in-person exams are held in Fondren Library East, rooms 109 and 110. Instructions for remote options will be sent to you a minimum of 24 hours before your exam. OIT has made an initial purchase of GMetrix practice exams for Microsoft Office and has provided you access to Adobe Education Exchange and LinkedIn Learning materials. For Office exams, we recommend that you score an 800 or higher in one or more of the practice exams to ensure you are ready to test. Please keep in mind that testing in one practice exam alone may not fully prepare you for all of the exam objectives. Since we have purchased access to the training materials and resources you need to successfully pass the exam, you will incur a charge after 2 exam attempts. A $50 fee per additional attempt will be collected via credit card before any further exams will be administered. We currently accept Visa, MasterCard, Discover, and American Express. Students who have registered for an appointment and do not cancel 48 hours before their exam will also be required to pay a $50 no-show fee before they can sit for the exam. With over 500 students participating in exams each semester, please be considerate of others and only register for one exam at a time. If you need an accommodation for extra time, you will need to submit a request directly to Certiport. Please note that OIT cannot adjust the length of your exam time. Visit your Canvas course for instructions on how to submit Certiport's online form. This process can take up to 2 weeks, so do not wait to file your request. Prior to your exam, you must have a Certiport account. Visit Certiport.com to create an account and password. Be sure to come to your exam prepared with your Certiport login information. You will also need to provide a valid photo ID. Your SMU ID card will do just fine. What happens if I don't pass the certification the first time? Microsoft requires you wait 24 hours before you retest the first time and 48 hours before a retest each subsequent time. For Adobe exams, you must wait 24 hours to retake for your first 3 retakes. After 3 retakes, you must wait 5 days between attempts. Keep this in mind as you schedule your exam. When you pass an exam, you will get a digital badge from Adobe or Microsoft that you can post in your certification section of your LinkedIn profile. You will also receive a digital transcript that you can send to employers. Your digital transcript can be accessed anytime at Certiport.com. If taking the exam for a class requirement, your professor will also be notified of your grades generally on the next business day. We're looking forward to helping you earn your certifications. If you need technical assistance, please contact the IT Help Desk at 214-768-4357. Check out smu.edu/certified to secure exam objectives and find answers to our frequently asked questions. Questions about scheduling your exams may be directed to IT training at smu.edu or 214-768-1824. We'll see you for your exam soon.